In this video, we will demonstrate the mapping list feature of Migration Center. We will see how to import documents with Active Directory users into a system that uses emails, like SharePoint Online. When trying to import these documents from a file system, the attempt fails because SharePoint does not recognize the format, which causes the following error. One way to solve this issue is to create a mapping list between the Active Directory users and the corresponding email accounts from SharePoint. You can create this mapping list globally or locally, as I'm going to do here in the Mixset. The values for the mapping list can either be inserted manually, imported from a CSV file, or, at the third option, they can be copy-pasted from an Excel file. Once you have created a mapping list, you must update the rule for it to use it. You no longer need the getValue rule, so you add a new mapValue rule. As input for this rule, you still use the same source attribute, the owner name. Then you make sure that your mapping list is selected. After you've updated the mapping list and the rule, all you need to do is save it, reset your objects, and then transform them again. Now they are ready to be imported into SharePoint Online. And that's it.